Imagine soaring through the sky, the sun on your face, the clouds like waves beneath you. Everything feels peaceful. Until suddenly, the world turns upside down. What if an invisible force, unseen, unheard, could rip through an airplane, twisting metal and testing human courage at 35,000 feet? This isn't just turbulence. This is high-altitude wind shear, one of aviation's most unpredictable and terrifying threats. It began as any other flight. The weather report? Perfect. The skies? Clear. Passengers? Relaxed, sipping coffee and watching the clouds drift by. The pilots, veterans of thousands of flight hours, were confident. Their route from Singapore to Tokyo was known for its smooth conditions and breathtaking views. But then came a brief radio message. A pilot from another aircraft reported slight fluctuations in air pressure. Nothing major, just strange. The message was acknowledged and forgotten. No one could have known that this was the first whisper of an invisible monster awakening in the sky. At cruising altitude, just above 36,000 feet, the aircraft hit what felt like a wall of air. The cockpit shook violently. The autopilot disengaged with a loud chime. "What was that?" the co-pilot shouted. The instruments flickered, altitude readings jumping erratically. Outside, clear skies, no clouds, no lightning, no visible storm. But something was wrong. The plane's nose dipped, then shot upward. The passengers screamed. Coffee cups flew, seatbelts strained. The pilots realized too late they were caught in a high-altitude wind shear zone, a brutal collision of opposing air currents slicing through the sky at over 100 knots difference in mere seconds. In the cockpit, alarms blared, "Stall! Stall!" as the plane's speed plummeted. The captain fought the controls, countering the sudden lift and drop. Every move required instant calculation. Too much correction, and they'd tear the wings off. Too little, and they'd fall from the sky. Outside, the invisible shear roared on, a battle of physics and instinct. Inside, the crew's training kicked in. Reduce thrust, level attitude, avoid overcorrection. For 5 endless minutes, the aircraft danced between stability and chaos, an aerial tug-of-war where one wrong move meant disaster. And just as suddenly as it began, it was over. The instruments steadied. The clouds returned to calm, white cotton. Passengers sat frozen. Tears, prayers, and disbelief painted across their faces. The pilots exchanged glances, exhausted but alive. They had just survived one of aviation's most feared phenomena. A battle not with storm clouds, but with the unseen hand of nature itself. Wind shear isn't a visible storm. It's a shift, a violent change in wind speed or direction over a short distance. At high altitudes, it can strike without warning, especially near jet streams or mountain waves. Modern aircraft are equipped with advanced sensors, but even today, pilots rely on instinct, training, and split-second decision-making to survive. Every safe landing after a wind shear event isn't luck. It's skill, courage, and respect for the forces we can't see. If you've ever looked up and wondered what really happens in the skies above, remember this story. Not all battles are fought on the ground. Some take place miles above us, between man, machine, and the unseen power of nature. If you found this story gripping, hit that like button, subscribe to My Depth of Danger, and ring the bell for more true survival stories from the edge of the impossible. Because next time, the storm might not wait to be seen.